You know, when you want to speak English fluently, but you care about grammar, but you care about your accent, but you feel shy, you don't dare to practice speaking, okay, your English will not improve. If you want to speak English fluently, don't just study from the book, from the teacher, or from anyone else, okay, or from YouTube. Don't just study from about what I said. Okay, you must practice speaking every day. Nowadays we have a lot of good ways to practice speaking English, right? Like we have AI, or we have social media, we have camera. Like me, I practice speaking English only in front of camera when I teach English. See, because in my family and in my company, we don't use English. We are Cambodian people, we only speak Khmer, right? But I try my best. I try every day to practice speaking English. Like I speak in front of camera, or like when I record the video, okay, to post on my YouTube channel or other social medias like Facebook and TikTok. You see, okay. So don't care about grammar, don't care about your accent. See, just keep on your practicing. You must practice every day if you want to speak English fluently. But if you don't practice it, what you have studied, it will only have in your mind, or it will only have in your book. See, so you must practice speaking English every day. Okay, don't worry about the mistake. No one is perfect. You see, no one is perfect. If you want to have an English speaking skill, see, I saw, or I met a lot of English learners. They can write in English, they can read in English, but most of them can't speak in English. When they speak, they use a lot of articles like that. See, because they don't use English in their daily life. See, like my students, oh teacher, I knew a lot of words, I have learned a lot of grammar books, but why can't I speak English? They asked me like that. I said, because you don't practice speaking English every day. You just speak when you come to study, or when you met someone who can speak English, or when you met the foreigners. See, that's why most English learners, especially for the English learner who use English as their second language, like Cambodian people, see, okay, they use English as their second language. So most Cambodian people, they speak Khmer, right? That's why most Cambodian English learners, they can read, they can write, most of them, they can read and write, yeah, but listen and speaking not so good, like me as well before. See, so this is my idea and my clue as well for the English learners. If you want to speak English fluently, don't care about grammar, don't care about accent, and don't feel shy. Okay, just try your best, just keep on your speaking every day. Okay, you can speak in front of camera like me, with your teachers, or with your friends, or with all people who can speak English, even they can speak a little bit. Okay, when you speak like this every day, your speaking will improve 100%. Okay. um, I heard some teachers, they told their students, oh, you must study IPA, you must study phonetic symbols, you must study grammars, you must study vocabularies, you must study blah blah. But they didn't told their students to practice speaking English every day. Yeah, it it is right for studying English, like grammar, vocabularies, or IPA, phonetic symbols. See, we can study a lot of them. Okay, we can study a lot of them because if you want to become an English teacher, if you want to apply for jobs, if you want to compete in a test, see. But if you just study English for communication, for working, or for business, I recommend you just try to speak English every day. Okay, you must speak English every day, more than you study grammar and more than you read in English. Okay, if you do like that, I guarantee 100% your speaking English will be fluent. Okay, I hope you got it. Please share this video to your friends. Okay, bye bye, see you next video.